Time for rapid fire, okay? SIP or lump sums? What do you think is the better way to go in mutual funds?
देखिए, आपके पास अगर पैसा पड़ा है तो आप उसको एसेट एलोकेट कीजिए और आप लमसम में डाल दीजिए और जो आपकी इनकम आ रही है उसका एक हिस्सा आप SIP में डालते रहिए.
Okay. Now complete, fill in the blanks, last sentence. The biggest risk to the market is?
Inflation.
Yes. I knew it. Okay. The trade deal announcement was
a big relief, or still we have to see how it pans out.
Yeah.
Because which industries will do well, which industries will suffer, we still don't know. But I think there will be more winners than losers.
The biggest mistake investors make?
Trying to do it themselves.
Yeah.
जैसा मैंने पहले भी कहा कि ये
leave it to the experts.
Leave it to the experts.
Yeah. Top sector for the year ahead?
I think I would still go for metals because मुझे लगता है कि inflation का एक डर है. तो एक commodity super cycle आ सकती है जिसमें metals will do well.
One word to describe earnings for the year ahead?
10%.
Okay. Silver, gold, equities, bonds. Who is going to have the best year? Or which asset class will have the best year?
Very difficult to say, but most likely gold will have the last word. I think the Indian housewives have made the smartest decision to invest in gold over the years.
Okay. Best advice you received for investing?
I am still waiting for the best advice.
And what gives you a good night's sleep when it comes to your portfolio?
I don't think about money. I don't look at my portfolio. So, portfolio and investments are the last of my worries.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.